In this guide, we will explore the 2025 Honda Pilot fuse box diagram and its locations. Learn how to identify, access, and understand the fuses to troubleshoot electrical issues effectively and maintain your vehicle's functionality with ease.
Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box houses essential fuses and relays for the vehicle's critical systems, such as the engine, cooling fans, and lighting. It is typically located near the battery for easy access. A labeled diagram on the fuse box cover helps identify each fuse's function. Driver's side interior fuse box. The driver's side interior fuse box manages electrical circuits for features such as the dashboard, power windows, and mirrors. It is conveniently located beneath the dashboard on the driver's side. A labeled cover provides quick identification of fuse functions. Passenger's side interior fuse box. The passenger's side interior fuse box controls circuits for features like the climate control system and infotainment. It is located under the glove compartment with a labeled cover for easy fuse identification.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.